The first step to accessing the conference is to register. Registration for the conference is complimentary. You can register online at VisitNC365.com until Tuesday, April 20th. If you are already registered but would like to modify your registration, go to VisitNC365.com. Once you have arrived, select Already Registered, located just below the Register Now button. Enter your email address you used to register, as well as your confirmation number, which was emailed to you at the time of registration. If you do not have access to your confirmation number, please select Forgot Confirmation Number. Your confirmation number will be emailed to the email account you registered with. Be sure to check your spam and junk folders for the email. Once you have entered your email address as well as your confirmation, you can log in. You are now logged in. Select the Modify Registration button located just to the left and below the Add to Calendar button. Now you can start making changes to your registration. Common reasons you might want to modify your registration is to opt in to receive information from sponsors and speakers. Add your correct cell phone number so that you can receive your verification code for the Attendee Hub. You can also add the Chop and Chat evening event with Sam Jones. There is a donation of $25 to the North Carolina Restaurant Workers Relief Fund to attend this event. Or you can switch your breakout session selection. To change your breakout session, click the Switch button located beside the session you would like to attend. You can only select one breakout session per day since they take place at the same time, but all sessions will be recorded and available up to 90 days after conference. Make the changes to your registration, continuing through all the registration pages by selecting the Next button at the bottom of each page until you reach the final order summary page. Once you've reached the order summary page, click Submit Changes. If you are going to modify your registration, we recommend you do so prior to the event to avoid missing any part of conference.